Okay, hello guys, sorry, lately I haven't uploaded much, because I've been busy, and now in this video I will share another new theme for all of you. Make sure subscribe. And let's get started. Well, the lock screen like this. At the top there is the hour, day, month and date, while at the bottom there are phone and camera shortcuts. And if you swipe up to the right there are other shortcuts too, but I forgot to show them, I'm sorry. Okay, that's the lock screen. Next we see the home screen. Well, this is the home screen. Button navigation change. Signal and battery icon change too. Panel notification like this. Number on numpad change. Like this. In this section there is only text, like this. File icon full change. Okay, that's the theme this time. Please download the link in the video description, and most importantly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.